Select the ellipse tool. Select No Color for both the fill and the stroke. Press Shift and create a circle. Select the type on a path tool. Fill the circle with your text. Press Ctrl+A to select the text. Adjust the font size to make your text fit the circle. Use the selection tool to move the text. I align it in the center of my canvas. Press Shift+Alt and resize the circle. Go to Effect. Distort and Transform. Transform. Make one copy. Connect the width and height. Lower the scale until the text fits inside of the other text. Increase the amount of copies. I use 16 copies, but you can also use more or less. Adjust the angle if you want to create the spiral effect. And that's how you create this text spiral.